channel. If you're new here, my name is Sharnice and I do lifestyle, clean with me videos, and just talk videos. In this just talk video, I am going to be talking about childhood trauma becoming adulthood drama. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and let's get started. So in this just talk, I don't know if you guys watched the show Growing Up Hip Hop Atlanta, and in one of those episodes with Bow Wow and Kiani, I think that's how you say her name, Kiyomi, I think that's how you say her name, they were going to go see a therapist, and he said something that really stuck out to me. It was so bad that I recorded it and put it on my Snapchat. If I still have it, I'll link it in this video.
See, your adult drama is simply unresolved childhood trauma.
Woo!
Just think about
Say it again for the people in the back.
He said, your childhood trauma becomes your adulthood drama if it's not taken care of. And I feel like this is a very serious matter with a lot of people because it really is true. People's childhoods are very, very fragile, and anything that happens to them in their childhood that doesn't get solved or doesn't get, treated or dealt with ends up becoming adulthood drama. For example, if a child doesn't get nurtured, they don't get the attention that they need, they could grow up being very sensitive and attention seeking, or feel like they're not worthy enough, or have low self-esteem. There's all kind of examples that I could use. A big one is, they call it the no daddy syndrome. You don't have that adult male figure in your life as in your childhood, then in your adulthood you have problems with relationships with men. I mean, I could go on and on and on, and it really is serious, and it's something that I even dealt with, like with me, middle child syndrome. I wouldn't say it's as bad for me, but even in my adulthood, I don't want to say I want to be the center of attention, but I like getting attention. So it's sometimes worse than others. Some people, it'll be really, really bad, and they'll be really, really sensitive in their adulthood. They'll be really mean in their adulthood. They'll be really cold in their adulthood. They'll have horrible relationships because they're bringing stuff from their childhood into their relationships, and it's just really not healthy. So I challenge everybody that watches this video to really think about how they act, in a sense. Think about how your childhood was and how some of those things may be affecting you in your adulthood. With the kind of work that I do, if a child grows up in a messy home, they in their adulthood may have a messy home. It could be little simple stuff like that. And I don't want it to come off as me bashing anybody or anything like that. I'm just simply coming on here to bring awareness to it, because a lot of people don't realize that how they are in their adulthood is the reason why they act, is because of their childhood. And it's very important, and I feel like a lot of people need to know it. So if this is your first time watching one of my Just Talk videos, I'll kind of explain it a little bit. I call it Just Talk because I literally just sit down and I just talk about a topic. My subscribers or anybody that views my videos can send me topics to, their information will be in my description bar down below. But yeah, people send me topics and I literally just talk about it off the dome. I don't prepare nothing, I don't write nothing. I just simply just talk. So that's why it's called Just Talk. I don't like for these videos to be seriously long. I usually try to keep them around 10 minutes, and just to kind of throw some ideas out there just to get people thinking, because sometimes people don't, you know, necessarily think about things, and I feel like, you know, it could really help some people in their adulthood. I mean, it could be somebody that in their childhood, like I said before, didn't have any male attention, and now in their adulthood they want all the male's attentions. I mean, we got to get to the root of why people act the way they act. And I feel like a lot of things go unsaid. A lot of people, you know, especially in the Black community, don't want to talk about mental health, and they don't want to talk about counseling. And, you know, you see all these people killing themselves today. You see people, you know, lashing out, and it's really not healthy. And if I could be somebody that could help bring awareness to it, then I will definitely do that. I feel like people should definitely deal with their childhood trauma, because it could, I'm not saying that it always will, I'm saying that it could lead to adulthood drama. It could be just as simple as how you interact with different relationships in your life. The relationships with your significant other, relationships with your friends, relationships with your co-workers, you know, relationships with anybody that you deal with in your adulthood could be affected by your childhood. And a lot of people don't think about it like that. Oh, they think, oh, that happened when they was a child. Oh, that happened when they was a baby. Oh, that happened when they was a toddler. They probably don't even remember that. But it still hinders them. If anything, I found out that, like, domestic violence can hinder a baby more than somebody that actually sees it, because they hear it and don't know what's necessarily going on. So, I mean, it's crazy to find out, you know, the different stuff that can affect you from your childhood. So I just challenge everybody that watches this video to, you know, kind of look at themselves, evaluate themselves, help others, because we all can grow and we all can heal. Some people feel like this is just how I am, this is how it's going to be. No, you can change, you can grow, and you don't have to let your past define you. You can have a whole new rebirth, or whatever you want to call it. You can grow from anything that has happened to you. I am a firm believer in that. So if you guys have any other questions or comments or suggestions, if you guys want me to go further into this topic, then I can. Once again, the videos are slowly coming back. A lot is going on. I'll keep you guys updated on that. You'll be finding out some things here soon. So I love you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.